Hey, man.
Oh, hey.
I didn't mean to startle you. How's it going?
Oh, can I have some nuts?
Oh, man, I got this awesome nut mix. It was so yummy.
Yeah.
It's got all kinds of different nuts in it.
Yeah.
I know. What's your favorite nut?
Cashew.
Bless you. Like, so, if you could have any nut in the world, what would be your favorite nut?
Cashew.
Bless you. Like, what do you like? The almonds? This doesn't have many peanuts. It's a good mix. What's your favorite nut? Like,
Cashew.
oh my goodness. You've been outside, haven't you, without shoes on?
No.
Oh, your favorite nut? Like, I don't know, Brazil nut or, macadamians. Like, what's your favorite nut?
Cashew.
Oh dear. That is a horrible sounding sneeze. Do you need to use my nose rag? Here.
No.
But you're sneezing.
Well, that's a cashew. Have to use my nose
Now look,
rag.
it's catching. She's saying it too. Oh, she's sneezing too. What's your favorite nut?
Cashew.
Are you sneezing? You're not sneezing.
No.
I'm not sneezing. Well, what are you saying?
Cashew.
Cashew. Cashew nut? Cashew nut?
Yeah. This is what they
Ah.
look like.
Oh, I know a cashew. I thought you were sneezing. Duh. Anyway,
Bye.
want a cashew nut?
Yeah.